Good morning, everyone. As you can see, I started a new pick handle, and this one here has copper, brass, and some of that wicked good looking oak that I found out there in the woods a couple weeks back. And also I got two more, another one of those 45 picks, and this here, awesome. This pick right here is very, really nice. Awesome picks, man. Awesome picks. And today we're going to work on this one right here. I got a lot of grinding on this one left to do. So I'm going to put you guys on hold. Okay, just a few seconds. And you can see how it's going to turn out, man. It's going to be awesome. It is going to be awesome. So I was thinking last night how many emails I've gotten for making people picks. And if people would just send me the stuff, send me the feeler gauge, whatever you want, stainless or regular carbon steel feeler gauge. You can order wood for knife handle blanks on eBay. You can get these right here, brass rods on eBay. You can order any type of brass rods that you want, for pins and stuff. So I figured that would be a very good way of making people lock picks. Is if you guys would send me the raw materials, I would be glad to make y'all a pick. And you got to take into consideration the cost of postage. And you got to take into consideration the cost of my Dremel bit stones and grinding wheels and blah 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 blah. So if you would be so kind as to add like $20 to it, along with the supplies, I would be happy to build you a lock pick, because right now, man, it's costing me a lot of money. I got 9 emails last night just asking about the picks. Not how much they cost or can they help by sending supplies or nothing like that. Oh, send me one. I'm like, yeah, okay, well, send me some dough. Send me some raw material. Feeler gauge. Some wood for the handle, for the grip. Send me some rod for the pins. And if you think about it, you could send me some grinding wheels too. Grinding wheels and cut off stuff, because this thing is starting to cost me. And I am not a wealthy person. So think about it and send me some stuff in the mail, man. I'll put my remail address in the descriptions. And what that does is, like, you send it to the remailing service and they actually send it to my actual home address. So don't be shy. I enjoy making them if you guys enjoy supporting me doing it. Take care of yourselves, people. Maybe that virus is almost gone. We don't know. Talk to y'all later.